Welcome to Alaska. Alaska is a land of extremes, where nature's grandeur reaches an entirely different level. Towering mountains, sprawling glaciers, and deep forests stretch across an untamed landscape that seems almost limitless. Wildlife roams freely, seasons shift dramatically, and the climate ranges from breathtakingly beautiful to fiercely intense. With vast stretches of untouched wilderness and one of the lowest population densities in the United States, Alaska truly earns its title as the last frontier. It's a place where adventure knows no bounds, where the wild spirit of nature still reigns supreme, and where travelers come to experience something truly extraordinary. Imagine a land so vast that much of it remains inaccessible by roads. Covering over 500,000 square miles and boasting nearly half of the entire U.S. coastline, Alaska is the largest state in the country, and by far one of the most unique. Many of its most stunning locations can only be reached by boat or plane, adding to the sense of mystery and adventure that surrounds this remarkable destination. How well do you know Alaska? Time for a quick challenge. What is the largest city in Alaska? Drop your answer in the comments. Fascinating facts about Alaska. Alaska's coastline is longer than all the other 49 states combined. Yes, you read that right. While many people picture Alaska as a frozen tundra, it is also home to stunning beaches, dramatic cliffs, and an ocean teeming with life. It's one of the best places in the world for whale watching and marine exploration. Meet the mighty Kodiak bear. Alaska is famous for its wildlife, and few creatures command more awe than the Kodiak bear, the largest brown bear subspecies in North America and the world. These massive bears are found exclusively on Kodiak Island, and their sheer size is astonishing. A full-grown male can stand 10 feet tall on its hind legs. Even when crouching, it reaches about 5 feet in height. A Kodiak bear can weigh up to an incredible 1,400 pounds. These bears share many traits with the now extinct California grizzly, including their diet and behavior. While they may seem intimidating, bear-related incidents on Kodiak Island are relatively rare. In fact, only 3 confirmed fatalities have ever been recorded due to Kodiak bears. However, an attack does happen about once every 2 years, which is why conservation efforts continue to ensure safe coexistence between humans and these magnificent animals. Tongass National Forest. The Tongass National Forest is a breathtaking expanse of nature, where lush green forests meet dramatic coastlines dotted with islands, waterfalls, and tidewater glaciers. Spanning an astonishing 500 miles across Alaska's Inside Passage. This untouched wilderness is the largest intact temperate rainforest on Earth and the largest national forest in the United States. Covering over 80% of southeast Alaska, the Tongass stretches across 11,000 miles of coastline and is home to more than 70,000 residents in 32 diverse communities, including Juneau, the state capital. Despite its vastness, the Tongass is incredibly accessible, offering well-maintained trails that lead adventurers through dense forests, sweeping alpine meadows, and along scenic boardwalks across muskies, peat bogs unique to the region. One of the most unforgettable experiences in the Tongass is bear watching, particularly during the thrilling salmon spawning season. At this time of year, bears gather in impressive numbers at key viewing spots to feast on the returning fish. The top locations for bear viewing include Fish Creek near Haida, Annan Creek near Wrangell, Pack Creek Bear Viewing Area on Admiralty Island, which is home to an astonishing 1,500-plus brown bears, Steep Creek at Juneau's Mendenhall Glacier. If you love nature and wildlife, the Tongass National Forest is a destination that belongs on your bucket list. And hey, if you're enjoying this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the corner of your screen. It's free for you, but it means the world to us. Denali National Park and Preserve. Imagine standing in the heart of 6 million acres of pure, untamed wilderness. This is Denali National Park and Preserve, a place where nature is raw, breathtaking, and completely immersive. This park is home to the tallest mountain in North America, Denali, formerly Mount McKinley, which towers at 20,310 feet. For many travelers, catching a glimpse of this majestic peak is the highlight of their Alaskan adventure. Access to the park is carefully regulated to preserve its wild and untouched nature. Private vehicles can only drive up to mile 15 on the 92-mile park road. Beyond that, visitors rely on sustainable shuttle buses, ensuring that tourism coexists harmoniously with the delicate ecosystem. This system allows travelers to experience the park's breathtaking landscapes, incredible wildlife, and untouched beauty while minimizing human impact. Denali National Park offers a chance to truly disconnect from the modern world and immerse yourself in nature like never before. Whether you're hiking among snow-capped peaks, spotting grizzly bears and moose, or simply marveling at the vastness of Alaska's wilderness, Denali is an experience unlike any other. Kenai River, Alaska's premier sport fishing destination. The Kenai River isn't just any river, it's a world-renowned destination, often called the greatest sport fishing river on the planet. As one of the most heavily used freshwater fisheries in Alaska, it draws thousands of anglers each year in pursuit of its legendary salmon runs, spanning 82 miles from Kenai Lake to Cook Inlet. The river winds through lush forests, glacial valleys, and striking mountain landscapes. It is the heart of the Kenai River Special Management Area, which protects over 105 linear miles of pristine rivers and lakes. This carefully preserved region offers some of the best river fishing opportunities in the entire state. What makes the Kenai River truly famous? Its incredible salmon runs. The river is home to king, sockeye, and silver salmon, making it a bucket list destination for fishing enthusiasts from all over the world. Whether you're an experienced angler or a first-time visitor, the thrill of reeling in one of these powerful fish is an unforgettable experience. But fishing isn't the only draw. The Kenai River offers a variety of outdoor adventures for all types of explorers, from kayaking and rafting through its breathtaking turquoise waters to hiking along its scenic banks. This river is a true paradise for nature lovers. Whether you're seeking an action-packed adventure or simply looking to immerse yourself in Alaska's peaceful wilderness, the Kenai River is an unparalleled destination that captures the spirit of the last frontier. Kachemak, Alaska, the gateway to the last frontier. Welcome to Kachemak, a place rich in history, culture, and jaw-dropping scenery. Often called Alaska's first city, this vibrant coastal town is the first major stop for many travelers heading north through the Inside Passage. Located just 90 miles from Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Kachemak is perched along the bluffs of Revillagigedo Island's rugged southwest coast. The city stretches 31 miles along the shoreline, but never more than 10 blocks wide, making it a compact and charming destination to explore. The unique layout of the town adds to its character. Many homes and businesses are built on stilts over the water, while others cling to the steep hillsides accessible by winding wooden staircases. Kachemak is a dream destination for adventurers and culture seekers alike. Visitors flock here to fish in some of the best waters in Alaska, hike through lush coastal rainforests, kayak along scenic shorelines, shop for unique Alaskan crafts and souvenirs, engage with indigenous culture through authentic totem pole parks and historic sites. Explore the breathtaking Tongass National Forest and the misty Fjords National Monument. With its rich native heritage, stunning natural surroundings, and endless opportunities for adventure, Kachemak is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Alaska. Whether you're stepping off a cruise ship or flying in for an extended stay, this town is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Kenai Fjords National Park, a glacial wonderland. Covering more than 600,000 acres of untouched Alaskan wilderness, Kenai Fjords National Park is a breathtaking expanse of towering glaciers, rugged coastlines, and pristine waters. Established in 1980 to protect some of the state's most spectacular glacial landscapes, the park is an adventurer's paradise, offering unforgettable views and endless opportunities for exploration. One of the park's most defining features is the Harding Ice Field, an enormous sheet of ice spanning over 700 square miles. This icy expanse feeds nearly 40 glaciers, shaping the dramatic fjords and valleys that make this park so visually stunning. In fact, about half of the park remains covered in snow and ice, making it one of the most awe-inspiring places in Alaska. Visitors to Kenai Fjords can hike, kayak, and cruise through its serene waters, encountering massive tidewater glaciers and thriving marine wildlife, including seals, sea lions, and even pods of orcas. Whether you're capturing the perfect photograph or simply standing in awe of the untouched beauty around you, this park offers an authentic and humbling glimpse into Alaska's frozen frontier. Kachemak, a small town with big adventure. Quaint, quirky, and full of character, Kachemak is a hidden gem that perfectly captures the spirit of Alaska. Located just 15 miles off the park's highway, this charming town sits beneath the towering peak of Denali, offering some of the best mountain views in the state. Though home to just over 1,000 residents, Kachemak bursts with life, attracting visitors with its rich history, artistic culture, and outdoor adventures. Established in 1916 as the district headquarters for the Alaska Railroad, the town has since transformed into a vibrant hub for artists, adventurers, and climbers. Kachemak is a must-visit destination for those looking to experience authentic small-town Alaska while indulging in thrilling outdoor activities, including flight-seeing tours that provide jaw-dropping aerial views of Denali, rafting along the scenic Kachemak River, biking through breathtaking wilderness trails. As the primary base for climbers preparing to summit Denali, Kachemak has a strong mountaineering spirit, drawing adventurers from all corners of the globe. But even for those who don't plan to conquer North America's highest peak, the town offers a welcoming atmosphere, full of local charm, cozy cafes, and friendly faces. Easily accessible by a scenic 2-hour drive from Anchorage, Kachemak is the perfect getaway for anyone looking to experience Alaska's small-town charm, outdoor adventure, and stunning mountain landscapes. Whether you're here for the thrill of the wild or simply to soak in the beauty of Denali, Kachemak is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Valdez, the Switzerland of Alaska. Nestled at the head of Port Valdez, a stunning natural fjord that stretches 11 miles inland from Prince William Sound, Valdez is a destination like no other. Surrounded by towering snow-capped mountains, deep fjords, and crystal-clear waters, it's easy to see why it has earned the nickname the Switzerland of Alaska. Long before modern settlement, this region was home to the Chugach and Otna native peoples, who used the land for fishing, hunting, and trading valuable goods such as copper, jade, and furs. Today, only one village, Tataitlek, remains as a testament to these early communities. Valdez is rich in history, shaped by English and Russian exploration in the 18th and 19th centuries, the Gold Rush, which brought waves of fortune seekers to the area, the expansion of railroads connecting Alaska to the broader U.S. economy. Today, Valdez thrives on a diverse economy centered around the oil industry, with the Trans-Alaska Pipeline terminus located here, seasonal tourism, drawing adventurers from all over the world, commercial and sport fishing, thanks to the rich waters of Prince William Sound. Transportation, serving as a vital hub for goods and travelers. For those seeking thrilling outdoor experiences, Valdez offers unforgettable adventures, including whale watching, where visitors can spot humpbacks, orcas, and sea lions. Skiing, with some of the best backcountry and heli skiing in the world. Glacier climbing, allowing you to explore the icy landscapes up close with its breathtaking scenery, deep historical routes, and endless outdoor adventures. Valdez is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience Alaska's rugged beauty at its finest. Fairbanks, the golden heart of Alaska. Deep in the interior of Alaska, Fairbanks is a city that blends history, adventure, and vibrant culture in a way few other places can. Known as the Golden Heart City, Fairbanks earned its name both from its central location in the state and its rich ties to the Gold Rush era. With majestic mountains, winding rivers, and endless wilderness surrounding it, Fairbanks serves as a gateway to some of Alaska's most incredible landscapes. Yet within the city itself, visitors will find a lively and welcoming community full of art, history, and adventure. Fairbanks is home to a thriving arts and culture scene with numerous local galleries showcasing work from Alaskan artists, theaters hosting live performances and storytelling events, cultural performances celebrating indigenous traditions and history. For those who love the outdoors, Fairbanks is a year-round playground. In the summer, visitors can explore hiking trails, fish in pristine waters, and experience the midnight sun, while winter brings the awe-inspiring Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, one of the best natural light shows on Earth. Few places offer such prime conditions for viewing the Northern Lights, making Fairbanks a top destination for sky watchers from around the world. Although home to only about 30,000 people, Fairbanks has a remarkable variety of experiences to offer. Whether you're drawn to its fascinating history of gold mining and frontier life, diverse food and drink scene featuring local brews and Alaskan flavors, endless outdoor adventures from dog sledding to riverboat cruises. From majestic mountains to towering glaciers, Alaska is a place where nature's beauty unfolds in ways that are nothing short of magical. Every corner of this vast land offers a new adventure, a breathtaking view, or a moment of awe that stays with you forever. Hopefully, this video has ignited your passion for exploration and inspired you to visit these incredible destinations. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which place in Alaska impressed you the most? Do you have any unforgettable stories from your trip to Alaska? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to read about your experiences. If you enjoyed this journey through Alaska, please like this video and share it with your friends so they too can discover the wonders of the last frontier. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More thrilling adventures are on the way, and I don't want you to miss a single one. Thank you for being part of this adventure. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep chasing new horizons. See you in the next video. Have a fantastic and inspiring day. Blast off, globe sparkles.